Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to start with the new exercise, complete the spellings. This is a mixed exercise, children, of birds and flowers together. So we are going to do these spellings combined in our classwork copy. So take out your classwork copy, open to a new page, write the date, write complete the spellings as your heading and underline it. Then number the margin 1 to 9 and then we are going to start. So these are the blanks which you have to make with your blue color pencil. Okay, and then we are going to complete the spelling. So this is P-A C-C-K. Full stop. In this we are going to fill P-E. We are going to fill E and O. That will become P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. The next one is number 2. M-A-I-G-O-D. Okay, we are going to write R and L. That will complete the spelling. It will become M-A-R-I, Mary, G-O-L-D, gold, marigold. The next one is number 3 is O-S-T, ost dash I-C dash. Even we will complete the spelling, it will become ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Full stop. Then the 4th one is H-B-I-S-U-S. So let's complete the spelling. It will become H-I-B-I-S, bis, C-U-S, cus, hibiscus. Okay, then the 5th one is P-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. It will become P-E-N, pen, G-U-I-N, penguin. Number 6, S-U dash F-L-O-W-E dash, full stop. We are going to complete the spelling. S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. Number 7, C dash O dash. Let's complete the spelling. C-R-O-W, crow. Number 8, this is R dash S dash. It will become R-O-S-E, rose. Number 9, L dash L dash. Now both the times I am writing L-L, so don't get confused. We are going to complete the spelling. It will become L-I-L-Y, lily. So children, this is a mixed exercise of birds and flowers. So please learn all the spellings which are there in the classwork copy as well as your book tidbits, and learn the spellings by heart because any spelling can come in your exam. So please do revise it. Thank you.